Welcome to CancerBot. Let's now take a look at another disease, multiple myeloma, and find some trials that we would be eligible for as a multiple myeloma sufferer. So we only have 2 eligible trials, but we've got 51 potential trials. So let's use the CancerBot's suggestions for how we can fill out our patient record to find more trials. If we click on patient age, it'll ask for the age, so I'll say, okay, I'm 60. While I'm here, might as well fill out gender. That probably also unlocks some other, and in fact it does. But now let's follow its guidance. Consent capability, if I say I have ability to give consent, that gives me 30 more trials. We can see the counts show up. ECOG performance status, which is a measure of how healthy I am. Maybe I say, okay, I'm a 1, where I can do light housework or office works, but otherwise I'm restricted. So you can see we get some more trials. We now have, we should fill out the stage to get more trials. I can say, okay, I'm stage 1. And it says we get 5 more trials with indicating we're using contraceptives, so I'll say yes. Caregiver availability status gives us another one. Filling in monoclonal protein serum gives us another one. And ejection fraction gives us another one. So now, pulmonary function test result, this would be a cue to perhaps go get that test. And now we have no potential and all these eligible trials. Now, we can be eligible for additional ones by describing our treatment, which is always a good idea. So here I had said none. Let's suppose that we in fact had 1 round of treatment. These are all the standard of care options. Let's assume it was a stem cell transplant. There are a number of trials that look at stem cell transplants. So look, now the count's up to 98 eligible trials. If we click on potential, we can see that it's looking for some more information. So my blood pressure is 120/80. And so now it's just asking, do we have a bone imaging result? Always a good idea if you have multiple myeloma. Monoclonal protein, urine, also quite low. And so now we have 99 eligible trials. We could narrow it down further based upon the location, based upon the specific kind of treatment, using keywords, based upon sponsor. But let's go ahead and look at some of these trials here. Let's look at this trial in Duarte, California for low-dose radiotherapy and treating painful bone metastases. And so as we look at this, we do meet the criteria. We fit the age range. We have consent capability, and we fit the ECOG performance status. So if we're interested, we click apply, and that information will be sent to the researcher.